Are you searching for the perfect digital piano to elevate your musical journey? Whether you're a beginner looking to start your first lessons, a seasoned pianist seeking a portable option, or someone who simply loves the sound of a grand piano without the hefty price tag, there's a digital piano out there for you. But with so many options on the market, how do you know which one is truly worth your investment? Today, we're counting down the 7 best digital pianos of 2025 based on their features, sound quality, and overall value. Stick around to find out which one takes the crown and why it might just be the perfect fit for you. 7. Roland FP-10. The Roland FP-10 is a popular entry-level digital piano that delivers a surprisingly high-quality experience for its price. It features Roland's supernatural sound engine, which provides rich, dynamic tones that closely mimic an acoustic grand piano. The PHA-4 standard keyboard is another standout feature, offering 88 fully weighted keys with escapement and a realistic ivory feel. This makes the FP-10 a great choice for beginners aiming to develop proper technique or even intermediate players who want an affordable practice instrument. Despite its strengths, the FP-10 does have some limitations. The built-in speakers, while decent for smaller rooms, lack the depth and power needed for larger spaces or performances. Additionally, the lack of dedicated line outputs and Bluetooth audio support can be frustrating for those who want more versatile connectivity options. These omissions make it clear that the FP-10 is primarily designed for home use rather than professional settings. One of the FP-10's more unique features is its compact design. At just 14 centimeters in height and weighing 12.3 kilograms, it's one of the slimmest digital pianos in its class. This makes it easy to move and store, though the taller casing can be inconvenient if you plan to use it as a master MIDI keyboard under a desk. The inclusion of Bluetooth MIDI connectivity and compatibility with Roland's Piano Partner app adds some modern functionality, enabling users to access additional features and sounds. The FP-10 comes with 15 onboard sounds, including acoustic pianos, electric pianos, organs, and strings. While the acoustic piano sounds are excellent, thanks to advanced features like simulated string resonance and damper effects, the limited variety may not satisfy players looking for more diverse tones. The instrument also supports dual play mode and twin piano mode, making it suitable for teaching or duet practice. 6. Casio Privia PX-S1100. The Casio Privia PX-S1100 is a sleek and portable digital piano that builds on the success of its predecessor, the PX-S1000. Its standout feature is its ultra-slim design. At just 232 millimeters in depth, it's one of the most compact full-size digital pianos available. This makes it ideal for players who need a lightweight instrument that can fit into tight spaces or be easily transported. The PX-S1100 features Casio's smart-scaled hammer action keyboard with simulated ebony and ivory keytops. While the keys are fully weighted and graded to mimic the feel of an acoustic piano, some experienced players may find the action too light for their preferences. Additionally, the shorter pivot point caused by its slim design can make playing towards the back of the keys slightly less comfortable. In terms of sound quality, the PX-S1100 benefits from Casio's AR sound engine, offering 18 voices with up to 192-note polyphony. The upgraded speaker system delivers clear and punchy audio with improved bass response, a noticeable improvement over its predecessor. The grand piano concert tone stands out as particularly expressive and dynamic. However, while the sound quality is impressive for its price range, it doesn't quite match the richness found in higher-end models like Yamaha or Kawai. The PX-S1100 also includes modern features like Bluetooth audio and MIDI connectivity via an included USB dongle. This allows users to connect to devices wirelessly for recording or using apps like Casio Music Space. Other useful functions include USB audio recording directly to a flash drive and various modes such as layer, split, and duo mode for versatile playstyles. 5. Yamaha P515. The Yamaha P515 is a flagship model in Yamaha's P-Series lineup that bridges the gap between affordability and professional-grade performance. It boasts Yamaha's CFX and Bosendorfer Imperial Concert Grand samples, two of the most iconic piano tones available today, delivering an unparalleled level of realism and expressiveness. With 256-note polyphony, this digital piano ensures every nuance of your performance is captured without compromise. The P515 features Yamaha's NWX Natural Wood X keyboard action with synthetic ebony and ivory keytops. The wooden keys provide a premium tactile experience that closely resembles an acoustic grand piano. While some users may find the keys slightly heavier than average, this weight adds to their durability and responsiveness during dynamic play. One of this model's highlights is its powerful built-in speaker system with 40 watts of output split between woofers and tweeters. This ensures balanced sound reproduction across all registers, perfect for home practice or small performances. For those seeking even more customization, Yamaha's Virtual Resonance Modeling, VRM, allows players to adjust subtle acoustic details like string resonance or damper effects through its intuitive piano room feature. The P515 also offers a comprehensive set of features designed to enhance both practice and performance experiences. These include split mode, dual mode, rhythm accompaniment, onboard EQ settings, audio MIDI recording capabilities via USB, and Bluetooth connectivity for wireless integration with apps like Smart Pianist. However, no instrument is without flaws. The P515's heavier key action might not appeal to everyone, especially beginners accustomed to lighter keyboards. Additionally, while its build quality is robust overall, some minor details like inconsistent key textures could be improved given its price point. Number 4. Kawai ES920. The Kawai ES920 is a standout in the realm of portable digital pianos, offering a level of quality and performance that rivals even higher-priced models. Central to its appeal is the responsive Hammer 3 (RI) keyboard action, which provides a realistic and smooth playing experience. The keys are weighted and graded from bass to treble, with simulated ivory and ebony surfaces that feel comfortable and absorb moisture, ensuring a secure grip during extended playing sessions. The triple sensor system enhances responsiveness, while the let-off simulation mimics the subtle resistance found in acoustic grand pianos, making it a joy for pianists accustomed to traditional instruments. The ES920's sound quality is equally impressive, thanks to Kawai's Harmonic Imaging XL technology. This sound engine uses 88-key sampling to replicate the nuanced tones of Kawai's renowned Shigeru Kawai SK-EX and SK5 grand pianos. The addition of features like undamped string resonance, cabinet resonance, hammer noise, and release time further enhances the authenticity of its sound. With 10 acoustic piano sounds and a variety of other tones, including electric pianos, organs, and strings, the ES920 offers versatility for different musical styles. A key highlight is its powerful 40-watt speaker system, developed in collaboration with Onkyo. The speakers are housed in separate enclosures with bass ports, delivering rich, clear sound with impressive depth. Whether you're playing at home or in a small venue, the ES920's internal speakers provide ample volume and clarity. For larger spaces or professional performances, the piano can easily connect to external sound systems. The ES920 also excels in usability and connectivity. It features an intuitive control panel with an OLED display and 4-band EQ sliders for real-time sound customization. Bluetooth MIDI and audio support allow seamless integration with apps like Kawai's Piano Remote or for streaming music through its speakers. 3. Roland FP-90X. The Roland FP-90X is a powerhouse digital piano that combines advanced technology with professional-grade performance. Its standout feature is Roland's pure acoustic piano modeling engine, which generates piano sounds through sophisticated algorithms rather than traditional sampling. This allows for limitless polyphony on piano tones and unparalleled expressiveness across dynamic ranges, from delicate pianissimo to thunderous fortissimo. The FP-90X features an 88-key PHA-50 keyboard with hybrid wood and plastic construction and textured ivory feel surfaces. This key action provides exceptional durability while closely mimicking the touch of an acoustic grand piano. The escapement mechanism adds a subtle click halfway through key presses for added realism. Pianists will appreciate the smoothness and responsiveness of this keyboard during intricate passages or fast-paced performances. One of the FP-90X's most remarkable attributes is its 4-speaker system, 60 watts total, which delivers immersive sound with exceptional clarity and depth. The addition of tone ports enhances treble frequencies while reducing harshness, ensuring a balanced listening experience whether you're playing at home or performing live. For private practice, Roland's headphones acoustic projection technology creates a spacious sound field that feels as if you're sitting in front of an acoustic piano. Connectivity options abound on the FP-90X, making it a versatile tool for modern musicians. It includes Bluetooth MIDI and audio capabilities for wireless integration with apps like Roland's Piano Designer or streaming music through its speakers. USB audio MIDI connectivity allows for professional-grade recording directly into music production software. The FP-90X also offers extensive customization through features like My Stage presets, which simulate various performance environments such as concert halls or studios. With 362 tones, including electric pianos, organs, strings, and synths, this piano caters to diverse musical genres. However, its weight, 52 pounds, makes it less portable than some competitors. 2. Nord Piano 5. The Nord Piano 5 is a premium stage piano designed for professionals who value versatility and high-quality sound in a portable package. This model features dual piano engines and dual sample synths, allowing players to layer or split sounds seamlessly for creative expression during live performances or studio sessions. At its core is Nord's triple sensor keybed with virtual hammer action technology. This provides weighted keys that feel natural under your fingers while offering excellent responsiveness across all registers. The action strikes a balance between lightness for fast passages and enough weight to mimic an acoustic grand piano, a feature many stage pianists will appreciate. Sound quality is where the Nord Piano 5 truly shines. It comes preloaded with 9 grand pianos, 9 uprights, 10 electric pianos, clavinets, marimbas, vibraphones, and more, all sourced from Nord's renowned piano library. Advanced string resonance technology digitally recreates the complex interactions between strings on an acoustic piano when using pedals or playing harmonics. With 120-note polyphony on piano sounds and twice the memory of its predecessor, 3 GB total, this instrument offers unparalleled tonal depth. The Nord Piano 5 also excels in effects processing with 6 dedicated modules that include reverb with new chorale mode, delay with ping-pong mode, EQs, amp simulations, modulation effects like tremolo and phaser, and more, all customizable per layer or split zone. While it lacks built-in speakers, requiring external amplification, this design choice ensures no compromises are made in sound quality or portability. Connectivity options include USB MIDI support for seamless integration with DAWs or external devices. 1. Yamaha CLP-775. At the pinnacle of our list is Yamaha's CLP-775 from their Clavinova series, a digital piano that redefines realism by incorporating cutting-edge technologies like grand expression modeling and virtual resonance modeling, VRM. These innovations replicate every nuance of an acoustic grand piano's tonal characteristics, from hammer strikes to string vibrations, delivering an unmatched playing experience. The Grand Touch keyboard features individually weighted keys graded from bass to treble, with synthetic ebony ivory tops that feel luxurious under your fingers while providing excellent grip during extended sessions. The linear hammer action ensures consistent touch across all keys while mimicking the fulcrum mechanics found in concert grands. Sound-wise, the CLP-775 boasts samples from Yamaha's flagship CFX Concert Grand as well as Bosendorfer Imperial, 2 iconic instruments known worldwide for their tonal richness, and binaural sampling ensures immersive headphone playback without fatigue during long practices. Its 6-speaker system, 284 watts total, delivers concert-level sound dispersion throughout any room size thanks to advanced transducers paired with intelligent acoustic control, IAC. This makes it equally suited for intimate settings or large gatherings alike. Additional features include Bluetooth MIDI audio connectivity alongside compatibility with Yamaha's Smart Pianist app, making practice interactive via chord analysis tools and sheet music display functions. However, slight criticisms arise regarding heavier than average key weight compared against some acoustics. but ultimately, subjective preferences vary greatly among pianists. For discerning musicians seeking ultimate realism combined modern conveniences, the Yamaha CLP-775 stands unrivaled. That's all for today, folks.